Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Shabana Khan presenting you another video. Today's video is as if you have seen my previous video in which I described my audience and nature of my audience. Therein I discussed that we will also be catering for pro sellers. These are those sellers who are investing large sums of money or who would like to who are able to invest into a private label. So for it's in particular, this video will be very helpful for those, but anybody who intends to start their business on Amazon, this video will have a greater value because through this video we will introduce you to Alibaba Elite Suppliers, which means they are like, as we have an Amazon choice, so they are chosen and selected by Alibaba, so they have a proven record. Let's start this video and see what elite suppliers we have here for you. Now, this elite partner event is a unique program started by Alibaba, and in this particular category, Alibaba each month selects 10 suppliers from their own, their own suppliers who are verified suppliers, and they are obviously authenticated by them. These are some extremely top rated markers. If you see, they have to have 4.5, 4.9 rating out of 5. They have to have on time shipment rating, which is amazingly great, response rate, and nearly over 10 years of experience. So these are very high markers to set for a supplier, and these are, as you can see, the metrics which we just discussed. There are industry technology, whatever technology they are presenting in their products, they are patent technologies, so they have created their own products, so there is no infringement or these kind of issues which normally you can face if your supplier is not authentically verified. And then they have industry certification, which is very important, that they can provide your certificate if in terms of if you are creating a product which is electronic or medical related nature, so you will need a particular certification, but these suppliers are selected on the basis that they meet all these criteria. So let's hear from Alibaba. I have brought their introduction to elite suppliers for all of us to see how they present this to us. So this was Alibaba's intro of our March promo, but here I have brought for you the June edition. This is the most latest one. So these are the elite suppliers selected by Alibaba for June, and in the rest of this video I have just selected a couple of them just to demonstrate how we can connect with them, how easy it is for you to look into these possibilities of finding a great supplier for your product. Connect is one of the elite suppliers, and if we see, you can access all this information on these links on my website. I'll leave them in the description box as well. And they are global medical leaders. That's how they describe themselves. You can go to Alibaba using your own login details, or even without login you can get these details. You can contact them here, the standard details, and representatives information is available on Alibaba. And that's another healthcare brand. There is a huge market in the sanitary, and the people who would like to explore these options, like what more you want, you get the best of the best suppliers. So there are nearly more than, if you look in here, they started in November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. There will be about 80 verified elite suppliers. So out of that, it's a great opportunity. Now, these are those people who you have seen in the video, and I haven't worked upon everybody in terms of finding the information for you. You can explore them yourself if that is the niche you are looking into. But I did call me for you. This is a leading smartwatch company, and if you see here, you can find their prices. You can source them. Most of their products are ready to dispatch. It's like this one in particular. It's a very popular product on Amazon, and it's called top brand of smartwatches. They have got 2 factories, 40,000 units daily output. So you can see there is a humongous scale of production they have. Now here I have brought, these are their 6, because that's where I went into details just to show you how you will find a supplier and what the details they have available on Alibaba. So these are their 6 of the watches they they are offering for the market. And if you look in here, like they all are starting from obviously 15 pounds, and look at the MOQs. Like if you obviously you understand how we will be negotiating with Alibaba, but with this 10 pieces, that's the price. So I must say this is a great price marker in terms of starting it. A few more products of the same, and these all are ready to dispatch. That's why I put them separately here, so they have them all in stock. And this is one of their watch. I researched on Amazon, so somebody got a private label on them, and yes, you can get your customization for the private label on their products. And this is very interesting. If you look in here, look at the rating. My God, like these are reviews, and this product is selling for 34 pounds and 33.99 pounds in the UK. So there you can see there is a supplier, and here is a success of one of their products. So you have an opportunity here. Once somebody is selected as an elite partner by Alibaba, they do offer some special coupons and deals. And if you look in here, they in this June offer are offering up to $5,000. I must understand that this is part of a large order, because if you see MOQ stands at 10 units. I haven't explored it, but if you are interested, please, there is their promotion page. By all means, if you can save up to like get a £5,000 off, what more we can look into it to make it more attractive. It's a great opportunity. Moving on, this is their certification, especially if you are really like they all are CE certified. So all of the Europe you can bring your product. So that's part of their verification. There has to be certification for all electronic items. So they have it in Alibaba Elite. You will find their history, the whole year's history of their transactions. You can't have the exact amount, but if you look in here, this will give you an idea how they are performing, how they performed during this last year. And moving on, we are at the end of our presentation. So this was my take on all those pro sellers who sometimes come to me that it is finding the right suppliers in Alibaba is a very difficult part. But if you look in here, these 10 suppliers selected in June are the key suppliers everybody seeks. So you don't have any, you have practically crossed over all the obstacles related to finding the right supplier with the right rating, with the right support, with the right response rate, with the right product, with the right certification, patents, and £5,000 discounts if you have just explored one. So opportunities are endless. So here we give you a great insight, industry insight, bringing you the information which I strongly believe that you don't have had it before we have expressed here. So please, if you found value in this work we are doing for you, please do subscribe, like, and share. And I look forward to meeting you into our next video focused on our pro audience who are in private label and they would like to learn more about private label options available to them. Thank you very much for your time. I really value your time which we spend here together so that we can share information. Let us know your thoughts. How did you like it in the comments box? And see you later. Bye.